Ajigong. Ajigong.
Bible, yeah, but can kind my 2:14. What's it? McCann, hey, Yamahuno, if you may be, I am Crawfordica, I hear you. Jack, I just won't, you may run on your politics. When you stick up a bread, you campaign to the workers. Some soon, John will cut where you're there. The Fiapa, that's not the same. Men strum was said, one bent in the brow.
Okay, may I say, Mamma Quaman Sumbraba, Shannon said, Napos Bressuna, Yedre, Cabela, Milk, Second Kings Real Estate, the home for kings. Call them on 0244645784. Feco Spray Starch, look sharp, latest foam, your partner for life. Mighty Power is Suhopoti. Lele Rice, tasty food, happy family. Tabia Heba, make sure you're true and authentic Heba medicine. And Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready? My uncle Amanasuna Fayane, Honorable Ahmed Ibrahim, Deputy Minority Chief Whip. Now, you know more and come on. Honorable, what time come watch and pay? Now, Bibia Bokodia.
Yeah, minimum pie bounty.
Constituency, what to say?
Yeah, minimum pie bounty. Hoboko.
No. Pacho, University of Ghana, Department of Political Science for Savvy. No, what was him?
Yo, Captain, my main fat Mofidi, Sunamintia, or Momuti, Adom FM, and Nanope. Ubisan said, Mati, once a month, make us the army because Enra, me, Namiko Jina Muma, parliamentary leadership, Emra no more presentations now. Now, if free, say, Omusha, see, coping so movie, you know, me witness, me, Omoya analysis methodology ni bibia kwa mofaso ye ya omocheche munyina no na me wo hobi ndo bi sa me say Matimu Nsem wa ambeka say an Matimu Nsem
then out ye nwanwa
captain e obi sa me say ye me nwanwa bibia ni mo a ye me nwanwa ni nyina kire say adwuma ye ya che na adia politics enye wo hu ni say obi be sentu mfunso akere na wa na baby a wo die chinye na ohwe ne omudi baaye no presentations o moye ne research o moye na betnya ka say na a very accurate research na omokoye enti enya dia mbeka say bibi eye me nwanwa ewo
Pacho parliament so ma ko si parliament anemu ho
omo free yen leadership ni nyina but em say min kwani the only leader Honorable na Idris no si wonti mi ko jira mu ma no nti mi ko jira mu ma minority as a caucus but majority for no the mte omo obi an ai honorable obi amwa nso na be jina mu
boy then out here omo ye ni na wie no what dey
that things na wo hwe the democracy bia akudru na unfe we ni the etosumiensa anase naya omoye hwemu afa MP's performance ho onum say odikru eyebi ono ne de no na oye no your performance on the floor of parliament say Accra ha no omodimo e wa Accra ento hwe political science de ni omoye na omo so ehwe omodimo e wo constituency enti there are two things. Now, when in the Dikaya, Obi Akoye Hwemu afa MPs modimo ewo omo constituencies. And the tosum you know, when in the Dikaya, ya bisa ya constituency say a dear na omo hwe afri omo MP so. The scientific empirical visa omo the evidence base and the ye ni. Menyes obia so obi so mo say na OMP sembrani de obia no a show interest e wo mrana yes wo parliament no e jemo scrutiny ni sa no mana ye wo parliament ni nyina say wo hwe report no mo de ba na enye no na hia ye constituency ɛno ntra meka sɛ anyɛ mi wanwa na ɛyɛ ade a ɛbɛboa ama Ghana krabi ma menkambi no amammo no ɛde mo they say sɛ wohwɛ neɛ ɛyɛ no wɔ Accra ha na ɛno yɛ the constitutional mandate yɛ core duties a wɔde ama MPs no na wohwɛ political science deɛ yɛ a neɛ na ɛdi mu akotire paa yɛ constituency for no ɛde bɔ yɛ nsoboɔ kɛse ɛyɛ development sɛ wohwɛ MP no otimi boa ma omo yi kwan omo si school omo twekania omo ye rules that development questions we no MPs ni bebre efili ewo ho eno nso na e carry over 40 to 50%, 70% of the marks in the social more criteria na assess MPs in terms of development me nya sure say bebre betia pass but omo to abama ye no nso say enu no mo hwe say ye beye. It is a call for a new direction. Say untimi ko gina on ka say omutu abama me say mimra Accra na mimbe shemra. Na mum ndiye ye hwe ne say na ye kwanye. Ye nsuo sem enye, ye kanian sem enye, ye hospitals enye. And nonti na hospital honorable ye to abama o. And this one me ye hwe am want me anye am man hwe we a. And me kan kire say o now ti Accra na now ye mra na now ye we na now ye we ni Fatima and na nra research no ejira so
when you sure say mumu binum e promise dodo
captain promises ni de ye mae and I say usan hwenra the best 10 MPs and nra report no di omubaya untimi nka say legonfo am anya de they did a very good job. Because I wish the best MP. The best MP na Honorable Collins Dauda. And as I wish Parliament wa only the second only the 3 MPs are Omaba Parliament more than 6 times or 6 times. Only Bagbin any Oseche Mensa Bonso. So it tells you say Obon Humo Diampa. In the Legon Forba, no Mukasa is the best MP. You can't dispute it. And then the NTR Obon Humo based on the research in say. One, why a local government minister? Why a transport minister? Why a lands and forestry minister? Into what hold key responsibilities are? What Timmy Ukon constituency, what Timmy rules, what Timmy hospitals, what Timmy schools, what Timmy is our normal way now because not or your penalty or a one then need that ministerial power, a hold resources are what Timmy Abuani man for. In the Uko Bizani man for some MP in the modern there is no doubt that they will not give him high marks. So the second person a photo a fenyo marking. On the whole Ghana on the board chairman for Ghana Waterworks. And all those procurement are normal wage and resources are on control. He's able to cater for the constituency.
No, but board chairman, a burden of Sikaben Kwana war Ghana Water Board.
Captain Call Waterworks could be normal air cost all the procurement and all those resources go there.
So when your procurement on Sikano, young fan said they are okay. I don't know what you mean though.
Captain, why do people want to go to those areas?
Eti Sikabi Wana.
Let me continue. Then Uba Bioma Fisikwete Ketu South was a deputy finance minister for 4 years. Then you come to Elimbele, Honorable Amako Fibua, energy minister for 4 years, deputy minister, energy minister for 4 years, substantive energy minister for 4 years. Into Wanya resources that may develop the area. Then you come to Metiopoko Prempe, the whole Nana Akufo-Addo administration in Nancy priority project a free SHS. Wa get fan ni na wa mortgage no for 10 years e discan amane say onko sisi schools na onye development. So our resources are to develop the area. Then you come to somebody like that in that area, you go to the criteria and see, you see say these are either ministers or deputy ministers and those things.
But if you look at it carefully, based on your own analysis, there are other MPs who are also cabinet ministers. Umudi amma the first 10.
And no, maybe enya ushe minister ushe abano. You look at where baby asikano airport. Abano resources no ushe the second person, how do you call it? A Greek minister, government planting for food and jobs, all those echo. So unlike the Biasika Enco minister like local government minister currently,
but the young say, Professor
Jamba for minister for planning, only budget no, all those people who can say who are you will say
sir, there be so what the Sikana Esha. Okay, so say your resources they can MP Mpacho Mebo with all respect, sir.
Let me know and carry over 40%.
Devin Mpacho Meba. And she should be any baby Emma Obinya illegal resources. We Mpacho Mamiri, Anya won't temase. With all respect, sir. O kaso be a board chairman to unya resources. Resources benya sitting allowance na the man as a board chairman na. Again no your defense minister on a budget. Parliament approve pa. Adienche so na ko.
Captain.
Ya bo chairman me o ye MP. Ni din ambem. First 10 ya bobo ye. Honorable Atacha, Minister of Water Resources, Works and Housing. Sir, Robia or what an appendage of the ministry. It's me bus second. Sir Ghana Water, a futu MP, a fenyo market a year.
Much policy. And on a make a say, the over defense minister, dear ya, okay, ya. Defense is a mean master or Mudimano. But the Americans, baby, a max no be brain, a development, Udiako Pesuaso.
W. Sawasha, Mamin Trad, there's one primary thing. Now, a war survey him, the role of MPs. What for Western Regional? Scrutinize legislation or explaining Emranankasa Mwamo Kwakwashe and Amashano. MPs are Western Regional in 1.1. And no far resources on what constituency the Asichim, moment to actually.
Generally, Nina, explaining and all those things, Nina, Ukanina Buma, and I mean, Amikato, and Una and Karima, not constituency for interest cry in the hole.
No, but don't forget, sir, the same in Nipa 24,000. The one answer the same question. So
27,000.
The same 27,000, you know, they answered every question. And yes, no interest, no, but MPs not nyadi oh.
Be not interest no one. The captain, the me MP. Say me person me more than one econ kaya. Say my who baby a mass no be brain there. Ewo. The constituency for no everything. And say impuntua udiako umpesuaso. And no generally. And no na range from 40 to 60%, 63, 68%. Into Usha 70%, 77% in Mutimi Atmia develop Omu constituencies and all those things. In Tuja, generally, over 120 MPs are not first time are not they are victims of circumstances. In Tuja, baby, in Seminole Air Corner, Mradru say MPs no ankasa, we take development role no as one of our core duties. Na untimi nkase o enye masedi ene se MP de masedi ene se mesemra enye masedi ene se me na mbehwe ama mpuntu aba enye no na constituency form e ka tete nti e wo se yema ye ne ko
Pacho MP share of the common fund no eba
captain eno na ma wo share first time MPs na bebre e feeling no
Pacho
because
eba
it is the worst from January to date be my
from January to date be my but 2017 by
2017 common fund there by
2018 by good and yeah in particular say health insurance sikana edema no by
captain be there 3 years in be there my
what there by
me there ba
international say health insurance sikano anye kura no by 50% there ba
mean to me, Omo dia Madosun, the whole 2019 there zero.
But
2018 there be there by obedience to Amma.
Okay, into
2017 Krano, first time MP Kizebre there Kra MI.
Okay, but I had there, Beba. because you are entitled to that.
Now, and one assembly one, okay, the UTA majority MPs and more modern. Captain me NDC, but me in fact as one and move say, who are Kunyaso. Now, health insurance my common fund my. Now, who come Peswasuna or the problem to him 2017, Uzo, Muncha, Sikawi Bambe, Ama 2018, Muncha, Bambe, Ama, Captain to me, the third time you. Because Uka, you can't say, Abino M1 homody, Abino ain't release. So, government MPs no baby, what serious challenges are. Say, who did you may also be unfair.
Now, I don't know one kind of crunch your constituency and says, can I buy and release here?
And no, I buy no can be.
It's not.
I'll be the papa catcher flat up out there. Oh, bo, mighty. And non to Assembliano, Yanimukasa, me Manoya didn't say. I buy over 169 MPs. Say, who bought MPs Trimodane, say, untium common fund, untium get fund, untium health insurance fund. It's your majority who will suffer. Because me as MP, I may opposition, have to make me up what now I can say. Adiano and my. But oh no, Okojano no Case, finance minister M1 whom was the own doing Krana Faran say. And say, Una Okojana consensus, I'll take.
And Sinacha says, we are Sinacha says, who are Bemno, we MPS who didn't draw.
One corner, Ukwana, one quay.
Some will call Honey Bebusa, won't you won't call because Oka so kind of
pray. Captain, that's why most of them ain't Minko constituencies. On corner of Detroit. That's what I'm telling you.
But time now yet, I am a year to Abama Moa. Mon Casa common fund the ban and maybe me Krumu. I am Mon Canon Tray.
Captain said, and nothing the first not MPs common fund be any who. But Sas no mind kitting with no say for instance, me mean Peswaso. Na Omuba Betro BEC, no, Konya on Betras na Biniho. Examination center, and they were going to close down all the other schools. Omuka tell me, see there be, me were MP common fan, me common fan, no, the yes, I know, man. Me this Konya call Sunday na captain. I'm on muye.
And no, natural say you are prepared to do something. I understand your position. MPs Nankasano, Mpacho may be honorable.
He tells you the emergency fund.
Whether emergency or otherwise, your constituencies in Libya are facing the same problem. But I understand your position very clearly because MPs in Ayana, a ban Muhomohua, mu defend them hopa. And so when you want to throw out defense, I don't have a problem. But the reality is this report, I want to say, a genuine.
Oh, a genuine, Captain.
Say a genuine, the end of the your parliament.
Captain, I say, Acadiano, na me, and I'm a character say, Acadiano, as a matter of fact, it was a priority. O child take my attitude to be a unwi Nambia. The Uko Abino priority, what deprioritize existing structures are not a wohono. Say, Yafan say, oh, common fan, Ukra Ewunya. So we don't prioritize it. Yakapu. Yatiswa Joma Matane 7.5%. Nana Dubai what is about 5%. 5% in Uzwa on Fama. Into one piece no better Jumano.
But the ancient is say, oh, unfortunately I've lost Honorable Ahmed Ibrahim. Minyani Bioma Yebe Dwaso. Category Omodi Yadi no Edoso. Advocate development. One kasa ko yempuntu djumo. Yase kasa omu yempuntu ana mempuntu nkukuru. Yase advocates.
So pray.
Yeah, we say, you hear we will concentrate. Aha, Yankasa, Koyam no. Anna, a man for now, one patch, say, region by region, Western region, almost a MPs now, Hono. Honorable. Hello.
Hello, Milia.
Aha, let me busa say.
Yeah, Captain.
Okay, now we'll come be answer line and drop in Pachowi.
Yeah, Captain. Intiniana me can say, Abano Ati common fund also from 7.5 to 5%. In Indiana MPs na seniors are near water than na Swati. Na Swati ne kakrano udikwa enuna or kwana ya promise bibia emergency oh na watimi are EFLO. Intina a pupa ferie e wonene so na ma government so aluku good. In this executive Now only Sauruna. I know the president understands it very well. By finance minister no onyina elections that. Into only the sensitivity of that emergency problem. Into ono no ensa no ho. Into ye be bwa on farmer. Na me kwa media so someone who yeah time na yetimi we say yentimi nye because aban no emonoma. But what ban e was no say ama ukwa ufere into bebre wo mko na binya precious obi o kono ohu problem no kwa na man the precious ako high into ama first timers MPs have been suffering.
But Saban is saying it has nothing to do with you being a minority MP. Ekwaka say aban mbo no ho modern. Because as you as you were telling me 2017 common fund and say by ABC 2018 by ABC 2019 and I'll say bako kram
yes
2019 day bako kram as MP wotimi your plan we your forecast wotimi hu da ache no wotimi hu ye masika ne bia ka hu say say emergency nti ye de bi kotonkodwa Sa mpacho nya bocha mami wie me question no mami wie me question no mpacho mami wie me question no sa 2017 sikai obi ade baaye 18 die obi ade baaye constituencies no one kasa be mpuntu that was not the question one say just an advocate what dey ka say wo betra radios unya akwanya what's the constituency ye hia kwan the constituency ye hia say one say just do an advocate. Number 2, represent interest. When you bank crino, my young will say ye interest I will represent. And ye dear and your political party interest. Number 3, proposing new laws. So we ye MP, uba constituency my young who say, oh, man who say a constituency say, and Marabi say, and Abba for and I'm Rabi saying, I may Abba Bitrima, me perceive a proposal. Number 4, creating employment and the baba shed advocates because in punto ne ba na nyuma ne ba employment ne baba
that creating employment no eno ne masinko eno ne masinko e ho na MP bia bebre amomoden
dabi baby MPs no momoden mu bon ko eh helping to resolve local issues what they mo bon ko creating mpachonya abote yeah, creating
development issues.
Creating employment in the Western region, Enya 5.2, Central Enya 5.6, Greater Accra Enya 3.9, Volta Enya 8.7, Eastern Enya 3.7, Ashanti 4.5, Bono 0.6 because then they're a new region automatically. You know, it was going to be like that. Northern region here 2.2.
Bono creating employment. Bono
0.6. A new region. Well, where your regional classification? No.
Hey. Captain, Mr. River City, because Megidi said, Bono, creating employment here, but more than far.
Oh, some of my region for French and do 5 months cry.
But Minister for Presenter no crowd draw no what I say. The entire Bono at me. Minister for Employment no Ewa Bono region.
I know they're creating employment in America.
Then I have to revisit that.
Me person we are very sincere.
Yeah.
And don't dilute your answers. Pachonya botama me mami mbusa question na ye honorable.
Captain me chair.
Me say me person we are very sincere.
Me very sincere, but I mean can say genuine.
Na there be me can survey me be some question. Because Matisa wabo finance minister. Finance minister ya ohoi onimu na dwuma.
Captain one kasa onya 1.7. Metiopoku prempe enam 4 something no. Finance minister nya 1. Nti obisa me so onimu na dwuma. Ono ha say report no na edi ye dia. Ono ha ni ma say o twa 1.7.
Okay, so yenyi report didn't free her as a member of parliament, we a leader of the house.
Captain say MPs always advocate to say obey finance minister. Normally, we prefer say elections. Mine now who say these are the issues are Timamufono But finance minister we know on election be other. And on him say all that he thinks about you are putting pressure into ama ubisamia judging him is very difficult. Into the timam for naka our mano 1.7 ama metupoko prempe 0.8 ama agri minister 5.20 ama energy minister 4.20 on one kasa equal to the drawing table. Maybe this will be revise issues no because on the midfielder. One distributor, all the other players will be idle. And none of my ministers will be Modimo answer any, MPs will be Modimo answer any, because he holds the purse.
Yes, he can't anyone now said only pepper on trio betria.
Sika Ghana, ye economy no expandi. Sika abba on my no. Sika abba on my no. Oya revenue ni sa normal way na bibia double. Inti sometimes omuka se sika ni ho then we become to question say na sika no ewo hin because at the end na ye di sika no aye. So it raises basic questions are yentimi ono ankasa entimi enchechire mo because we see the economy is booming. Na economy is booming na yentimi ntua basic bills are even statutory funds. Common fund obi anum say ni dey common. But for the first time who read the research now, constituency for the break, I said they don't know anything about MP's common fund. Ghana how? Into the common fund is no more common. It's no more common because the Nepal or Ghana now if the common fund class is on TIDA, it tells you how scarce the common fund has become. And these are the issues. A year pass and they go for this research number.
Who will to me be an Kabaka finance minister Yansano?
Say yes, or yeah, related to the president, captain. The answer is Countio. Countio.
That's on a macro no wedding.
Oh no, good president anymore. Because if you are sitting MPs are facing this disgrace. President na my executive win MPs na my president win. So MPs no elusu. It tells us the president no so then elusu. Go to the electoral history. Because besides your best no mun kanchero. MPs elusu a chero say president so elusu. So the president has become very unpopular because of the activities and the roles of the finance minister.
Don't you think so? Core cabinet meeting. Some of these things are cabinet decisions. He cannot just get up as a finance minister, start paying anything anyhow.
And not just a matter of paying, but statutory. Ghana phone him say there will be. Ghana phone him say there could be a finance minister and in some bed. And nothing no muka say where you statutory. Statutory nature say your legislative and your compulsory. Two way uji two no pay for we common fund administrator. For we come a get fund administrator, for we come a health insurance executive. None the can who finance minister no planning. In this who want your finance minister or this ask or this out one way na on fasika no kwa. Nese mumrano. That is the essence of it. Mumrano. So if that things are happening and what or mine and nuna a good president to who ama obiaka say or manu maesi. And as I say, Captain, Sika abba or mine Ghana oil no don't mama time. The na yenya oil mun say we get it in triples. More than twice, more than thrice. Into what you do when na say you won't mean to just common fan. Na Ghana for see munti bibi kwa say bibi wo ha ya friend common fan na. It tells you how insensitive or how incompetent the finance minister is.
Between Onone Yawo Safuma for time or finance minister, who would you choose?
Or Safuma for time no. Also Safuma for na Onono na of Eastern region of President Kufuor Free Asante region. But Safuma for time no President Kufuor mano ministers other ministers of state. What's not Professor Jamba for Nakoto?
Don't worry, me say the
work was not being done by only Osafumafo. Also, a man, Minister of State at the Finance Ministry, Professor Jamba for Nakoto. So, team no a very good job. But currently, this current finance minister, I say, about one top. And on one case, so you're so competent in the finance issues. Look at the mess at the finance sector.
So you would choose Osafo over him?
Osafo Mafu can say,
Debbie, I'm looking at
heading towards retirement.
Debbie,
we were
Debbie,
economic management.
That's a question, Nasi. I am looking at Osafo Mafu as the then finance minister, not he being part of economic management.
If you tell me Osafo Mafu at that time there, or no, with President Kufuor and all those team, no, they did a very good job.
Okay, and you know, finance minister way, and Kwabnado for who would you choose?
You can't compare him to Kwabnado for
finance minister way, and it's a Tekwe.
You can't compare him to even Setepe.
Finance minister way, any Kojoba Redu.
He's the worst finance minister. And stop mentioning other names. He's the worst.
He's the worst finance
because
minister.
Because 33 France, he doesn't respect the laws. The parliament ayemra, the uji common fana, the uji toa, the way nafakoma as we no mufan local government, no mufan koma district assembly, no mufan yejuma. Uji toa, the way nafakoma get fund. Uji toa, the way nafakoma health insurance. They say health insurance egu, get fund egu, common fund egu. Now you see that we are finance minister, Bantu Nyumfreo.
All right.
Not what you man is saying.
Mamenda was say, Honorable Ahmed, PBSC Trauma Sanfreo.
You mean I say what framing?
Deputy Minority Chief Whip. Now it is a minute Casano. Openi Kina Likimani. Oba oh mame.
Oyashi.
Onya
Ihe na kamfo no damagenda.
Say opinion Oba Penny Nyahe kakra. Wamuna na wamoye odikru, wamoda ye odikru, omde no mo hwe parliament, MP oti parliamenta, obono ho modern, ene legon forso so wo si akire, wo so ko constituency dem. Mami machi. Hello. Line I.
Hello.
Hello. Mpacha fe wote menka.
Enyam pochenyo.
Me da se papa da etbenka sese.
Wandase.
Na me bisa de. Ehwe adwuma won wo ye na onyima we Legon political science department or wa CCRA ya. Ehunden.
Well, say he no dikro yehwe adza constitution wa hwe parliament na MPs mboda wonye. Ono yenyi ayade basa. Wabosha ejuma executive and president and the ministers, the government no worry. Wabosha do. Wabosha programs are worry here. Wabosha hunskasam. O today be na wabosha magana. O today basa. Inhan inkofana. Ye you wonder one brahono. Wabaka ya wasam. Waba representing him. The washa they has its name na nyama ho him. Oko ye mahen. Those nyame basa ihe ya shedam no na me see the MPs no sabio e Ghana fo na we ho ba nti Legon fo ho so worhwe ada MPs no we ye wo constituency no the citizens no nti difference o women.
But efsha mesima mo ye mo adwo parliament samer na zeto eyi ho a e beka de mo wa ban dama na ote wo fom.
Well, ihe no dikro no ada ya pepe de Ghana for what asini de o wade yenwa ko edwuma na MPs why wo parliament o hia pa o san de sabi say MP o campaign no ba ka so de mama school a abana nka se botuma ye kwan get fund botuma ye school na ya democracy ya constitution no mu no edwuma ba say amakan ono MPs nko na wo botuma ye into no obiani tinye de medjuma na mehen sabio but also kwan school na nyaman institution how obotu waye ye get mu say at the constituency level no the MP no no sabio okitatum ono no ye political a member of a party who are ozenyim ono no ozenyim okitatum no into nyama pi wo how obotu waye ya ihu de MPC bo wo wa banka na wa akọ programs abanori ye na wa atwi akọ sort of advocacy and we use more power to bring development. And so also he said we say I want to get a tumpi constituency or there issue my programs are government where and so be baho So yes, me na can who be, but in here no dikrono ya paga na future the woman ye nyuan ko adza or ko do parliament one because in brana wo be show parliament one onu ofayen for a idea legon for aye na me tell you ye run obaka say no o sin the Ghana for when I wo be someone wo be san one some no we feel that a MPs no one tackle local issues and then nyama constituency no one shadow moment but local issues no so be wa abona wa be national issues abe hiadzi na ya bo hunde ya fa na BBS local na BBS Ghana na ya MPs no war bon koma wa the workers of parliament wakasa tdama wa ya Ghana fo wakasa tdama wonyitum MPs were too pia what the shahya samado na wakasa parliament ho a edwuma tsa wa ye onye executive no nti se executive some pass yi mama na wa ye se executive no some pellam lo ni na wa ye but offer the one ga sa wo betina ho na wa ka de munyim the master me is ha wo me yan hwe ho ne yan bra yan fanto do no ono ya ye hu
tena che de ye MPs wo edwuma ye no wa kakakra.
Oh, represent Wakapi because they share on Mana Sabio, yeah, mobile. I mean, there be a question for the Ghana of air mobile. It could take a kind in Alan Pie air mobile because MP or how they should in a year. Nessa MPs no or what there, what do more to what's under Parliament? It's a vapor or your power kita tumpa. Oh, kita tum, that's a more tum no. One for one, Jinadu and Kada MPs had dominated Magana for the Babia, not the president's nature, Mono Penamoria. No, president, then you uncle baby one, most when you uncle Mahan. Problem, Ningen.
Aunt Medasai.
One that's it, that's a Jumaya Musmoy, near the Legon sausage, Manawayan.
That's it, Papa.
You.
Ebusha, Mr. Wanti, Legona Jumano Moye, no, MPs Nejmo Moyano pepe. Anna, Omoye, no. Teacher said, Washa, maybe be a kumi cry back when you were here. I say, about promises are MPs, no, 88.7% promises, one promises are. The banners are Boshano Mashano. Or ha, and teacher made your watch actually ponsono. 11.3% penum. Hey, Padisi. How may I do? I will say, hospital, any clinics, no one more promise 100% now, 6.5 no much me. Acquire on Bacas, Yabe 100%, 11.2% no much me. Oh, Yabama Juma, 7.5 pet. Yabama Musuo at 12.2%, 12.2 near Honorable Matupoku Company, Max Nonya, and now the best minister. Yabama electricity 8.4. Ejuma who do akai aban bi den nsaka owie o yebe out of 100% at 3.7 pen omutumi ye. Say ombeboa na Ghana yesi ye kuafo. Nti endoba no ne boa no be kwosoro no twa na 0.3% enduru 1% mpo. Ye rade nyankopon. Some be advocate be call parliament. Etime ye nhye say de be ya. Nkrofo nnwuma betime nya sika. Edi akosoro no 2.5%. When we see schools in classrooms no say ye ni na 10.7%. Na adewe no ho I say ye tugum. Yesu. Na eja me wo Eastern region constituency be chairman or head anyame one because MP away no Eastern region. We an Eastern region now. It's not Fremi. But Modiana Fay Fremi. Nay, Moncomo. Oh, Fremi Busa questions to me answer. Me Busa questions to me answer. 0302 216561 216562 0302 216561 216562. Na Moncomo pa. Hello, good morning.
Morning, Captain Apomo.
Nyame Adom me ho ye. Pacho, o constituency be ya.
Honorable Kokukwate, Boase.
Where Oboase West.
Kokukwate.
Okay. What boni din the next and na me second question to me oba obi afra mebusa constituency wo MP din. Se yesi ya to aba na obeto aba no.
Ebede. Me afi me decide say president nkwana meto. MP
won't to my kwatim bio. Medase. Yanko the next person. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
But constituency be now.
Tema West.
Tema West. When MP where?
Honorable Carlos Henkra.
Yeah, to aba na obeto aba no.
Beto aba no.
Na hone.
Say unya wi adwuma no gusundi. Unya 100% no.
Ba se si ye be kase nne.
Oh, and me kase to abeto aba na.
Okay. Yanko next person. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Impacho net to say.
Impacho captain.
Who constituency bay?
Impacho me for Achase constituency.
Who MP they say?
Honorable Kwesi Amwa.
Yeah, two abeto aba no.
Debbie, not at all a captain. He is the worst ever MP Wabachiase.
Yeah, two abane na won to mano.
Not at all.
Okay.
Captain, $1 million here equal consider district BM the staff. Yem say MP say a den or any na
what's MP they saying? A chance MP on.
Yeah, a chance MP.
Okay, me that say. Yeah, fair saying.
Honorable Kwesi Amwa.
Honorable Kwesi Amwa. Okay.
Yes, please. Me that
say. Yeah, for the next person. Hello.
Hi.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning.
Constituency be na wo.
Me di the cake ground so.
Mempe wudin ti me questions na yi anoma me. Constituency be.
No.
Okay, when MP they say?
Amado Kuya.
Yeah, to aban na obeto ama no.
She again and come and say papa.
Yeah. Amen ka se chirim. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho constituency be na wo.
Me pacho me was Saston na me wo Elembele.
He na oto aba won't mean to about two constituencies for the same day. Illegal.
Me about Elembele.
Until hona sesa o catch them. When MP anyway.
Honorable Amakofiwa.
Yeah, to aba na obeto ama no.
Beto ama no o you good.
Me that dey man ka se chirim yanko next person. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Who constituency be?
Lower Manya constituency.
Lower Manya. When MP ne hwan?
Honorable Minister of Petela.
Yeah, to aba na obeto ama no.
Beto ama no papa.
Okay. Yeah, for next person. Hello, good morning. Who constituency be?
Madina constituency.
When MP din the say?
Abubakar Boniface.
Yeah, to aba na obeto ama no.
Metro Mano.
But that's it. Yeah, for the next person. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Captain.
Patrick constituency be now.
I am so cute.
Who MP no wine?
I okobochi.
Yeah, to aba na obeto ama no.
No.
Yeah, for the next person. Good morning.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Who constituency be?
We were Upper Manya constituency.
Who MP no wine?
Joseph Tete.
Okay. Yeah, to aba na obeto ama no.
Me too man when any ochina.
For the next person. Good morning.
Hello, Captain.
Yes, sir. Patrick constituency be now.
You are Ketu North.
Ketu North. Who MP no wine?
Honorable James Crucial Virgin.
Yeah, to aba na obeto ama no.
For the way.
But that's it. Yanko next person. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Captain.
Yeah, who constituency be?
Koto Koli.
Who MP no wine?
Zenato.
Yeah, to aba na obeto ama no.
And come here, Bante.
Yeah, for next person. Good morning.
Hello, good morning, Captain.
Who constituency be?
Opata Iledi constituency.
Why no MP?
Honorable Kodo Opo Nkroma.
Say yeah, to aba na obeto ama no.
For sure, Metro Mano.
That's it. Good morning.
Good morning.
Who constituency be?
Ejumaku Enyan Esia.
Who MP no wine?
Honorable Atofoso.
Obeto ama na.
At all.
Oh, no, just I want to mano.
Mano.
Okay, me that say. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Who constituency be?
Me patrol me wo Accra West.
Why no MP?
Osla Usu.
Esla Usu. Na where Accra West? Esla constituency and friends are Ablekuma.
Ablekuma, yes.
We are 2 about obeto no.
Me patrol there be men to mano.
Me that say. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Who constituency be? Why na your MP?
Nana, I
Yeah, to about now, about to man. Okay. Morning.
Good morning.
Pacho constituency bay.
Okay, I'm off.
OMPD the saying.
I want to say again, I could do cry.
Yeah, to about to man in there. Okay. March, yeah.
Yeah, media opening.
Who constituency bay?
You are with Jagbawi.
Why no MP?
Tina Mensa.
Yeah, to about man, about to man and
Men to Mano opening.
okay. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho, who constituency bay?
Waterma East.
Waterma East. Why no MP?
Pastor Grover.
Yeah, to about now, about to man.
Let's woman.
About to man. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Who constituency bay?
But the more AAK, Abba Asedu Kamankasi.
Why no? Why no your MP?
Every Morrison.
Okay. We are two about to man.
The Pacho no.
No, okay. Good morning.
Good morning, Capital.
Who constituency bay?
You are Crow.
Why no MP?
Okoboy, Anabu Okoboy.
Say a two about to man.
Peter, Yamin Pungu.
Yeah, for next person. Good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Pacho constituency bay.
Apamanya, Crow.
Okay. Why no MP?
Another duty.
Yeah, two about now about to man.
There be mean to Manuka, and Kamihunuka, Gamashino.
Yeah, I'm funny power from. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Who constituency bay?
Moabra East.
Why no MP?
Honorable Pokuya.
Honorable Pokuya, no way. You're funny powerful from. If you don't know your MP's name and your constituency, yeah, you can't join the conversation. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Pacho constituency bay.
Asojaman constituency.
Why no MP?
Honorable Thomas Ampunyako.
Yeah, two now about to man.
Pacho Metuamano.
Better say. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho constituency bay.
Matamo Adenta constituency.
Why no MP?
Dr. Lawyer Boabing.
Obetuamanana.
Bato
Mbano. Chesa wonto. Morning.
Hello.
Pacho constituency bay.
No
Crow. Why no MP?
Afole Elizabeth.
Yeah, two about now betuamano.
Yentu manu baku mienu.
Morning. Hello.
Hello.
Who constituency bay?
If I tell me what Aguna West constituency.
Okay, why no MP?
Na ne year.
Yeah, two about now betuamano.
Me patron to Mandani.
Okay. Yeah, for the very last person. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Pacho constituency bay.
Or that constituency.
Why no MP?
We have a Japan question.
Obetuamanana wonto.
Kaidabi. Watapa.
Okay. Yankuyanim. Yankuyanim mesro. Yankuyanim mopa. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Who constituency bay?
No, Abukuma South.
Okay. When are you MP?
Okubana Point.
Yeah, to the now betuamano.
Betuamano.
Young next person. Hello.
Smart.
Yeah, who constituency bay?
Ashaman.
When are you MP?
And there's the way.
Yeah, to the now betuamano.
Daddy.
Good. Ever next person. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho constituency bay.
Adenta.
Why no MP?
Lawyer Boabing.
Yeah, to the now betuamano.
Kamerio.
Uncle Yere.
Merio.
You're the Yakupo. Hello, good morning. Hello, morning. I wish I can panel number coffee. Minya.
Good morning.
Pachonya butrama me. Minya yanka panel no panel members no can I answer no mo tia no mun coffee. Na yes ade we na ade. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Who constituency bay?
Captain Kumasi me the twin in my brepa.
Kumasi there. Yeah, constituency as Kumasi. Constituency be any Ghana friend Kumasi. Hello, morning.
Hello, morning.
Who constituency bay?
Ekumfi constituency.
Ekumfi when no MP?
Honorable Atukujo.
Atukujo. Obetuamana na wonto.
Kakatan rere me now.
Kakotran rere wo na ho.
Yeah.
You. Mpacho wo constituency bay. Hello. Asin Central. Why no MP?
Mpacho honorable Ken Ohini Ejapon.
Obeto amana na onto mano.
Oye baako pe ono na ko bia ni na chi.
Did I say? Hello, good morning. Pacho lo radio no mame kakra why? So information center won so atwon ho kakra. Who constituency bay?
Hello, good morning.
Who constituency bay?
Me wo Bantima.
Bantima, why no MP?
Daniel Otoma Boaje.
O ka beto amana na sa won to mano.
Mento mane de biara da.
Okay. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Pacho, who constituency bay?
Gumwa West.
Why no MP?
Alexander Kodiokom.
Ubeto ana won to mano.
Go won to meeting fido.
Uncho timfido. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello. Hello, morning.
Good morning.
Who constituency bay?
Pacho Fanono.
Why no MP?
Honorable Slee.
Ubeto ana na won to mano.
Me Pacho senyo na eri dia o maya awam. Mento mano.
Senyo no na eri ya o maya awam.
Aye.
O de ma min so ngina hoy. Asa matena se kura bre. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Who constituency bay?
Gomwa Central.
Gomwa Central. Why no MP?
Anabona na ya.
Ye to aba na obeto amana na won to.
Mento man da.
Aden ayesa. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho constituency bay.
Kaso Hutu Senya East.
Me da se when na ye MP.
Mevisa okunsi.
Pacho se na ye to aba obde be mana na mfa ma no.
Mbasha mento mano.
Onto ma no. Ye nto aso. Me se na ye be fa college a ye be ko yanim pa. E bo na ya na ye jai. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Who constituency bay?
Modern Chambo.
When na ye MP.
Honorable Obatamba Amasi.
Say ye to na obeto ama no.
Ye to kukumut ye to be 10 kran kama turi nyina.
Ye to 10 kran ka beto ama say. That say. Ye for the very last person. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Pacho constituency bay.
Pacho Mwenzima East.
Why no MP?
Catherine Abrema Afleku.
Okay. Ye to the nan ka beto ama no.
Pacho kamento mano.
Me da say. Mami fancy ha. Are you our constituency bay? Who crowd him constituency?
Mami say Ebenezer.
Ebenezer be ha.
Abosoka Ebenezer.
Sir. Yeah, back in the see ho.
Ebenezer.
Okay. Yeah, to nan ka beto ama.
Ebenezer MPP Ebenezer.
What abada?
Dabi.
Aha, ntimi musa sakosa no. George Mbia. Oh, Udebra. Oh, where say nya But for papa yo jama me obi amondi. George. Oh, Uncle George. Bra. Oh, man get them. Ayo hun kwesi so microphone. Pacho constituency be. Membo di David be omondi.
Abrekumanof.
When you MP?
Ebenezer na. Nati.
Kabeto amano.
Akabeto amano.
Okay. Only are you one of constituency? As our constituency. Only constituency. What is me? Oh, mini constituency. Yam penso bia. Yam penso bia. In fact, any constituency.
I can't put space.
There be mini constituency. Just say, me too about something. Say, and let me see me too. Me ko Ashanti region. Me too about something. And as I'm kotana sokwa, me too about asokwa. And can hear me we meet to about how you cry to special voting, dear cry and to MP.
Muni constituency.
Yeah, to special voting.
And I'm going to my hunto.
Yeah, to special voting.
But to special voting, one of my hunto.
I mean, to special voting to me. Now, MP, no way.
Me MP, Nana Kwesi J. Boati.
Obesan Naba.
Oh, Obeba.
Okay.
Obeba. He's doing very well. Okay. Actually, what we know because I am constituency by constituency. You cannot speak to.
Hey, what we are constituency by constituency.
Inti minimum MPD. Ebia Kojo. Say yes survey no na ebia based upon say kase ebia obi okaso MP okaso parliament pa enutina ebia ni numbers be kosro ni ade dia ebia me MP de obeka tense onka ho. But when it comes to development, Honorable Hakma Judge man no na. I mean, I have 6 big towns in my constituency. But bien honoma yemfa yensan kan enye bibi. The Honorable Hakma Jaho. Because all is over for because
Hackman
almost all the town. Yes. Until say Oba, no one follow that na say also be to an amount for frobia ho be chiro pa because almost every place or ye bibi ho. I think he's doing well. So long as I am the chairman of the constituency. I'm saying it emphatically because sometimes the problem I have fancy free party for. What is it? Nya dia say duma pa wonu job enough there. Any my be Tikufodua Memu North and South in Abeka North. A yet deputy minister for local government, the Jeboatin, the constituency there. He's doing very, very, very well.
Dr. Isaac Owusumen Sakache say individually, constituency by constituency, they do away, Eastern region. But say region by regional mu MPs, Omumbote, Greater Accra.
Greater Accra, Unim. The Biana make us say Greater Accra MPs. The problem back up on more parts because Joshua baby as a crack of away.
Then they are harder than ye.
A bit
I quite to advocate in the
na I quite na say and your money be a honoma. Oh, the blame Bema MP, but could you say, the near more Mukuma say, yes, you acquire law crying, yes, you acquire way. The strength are the Bessemuno. Could you crave in a bit me? I say,
OMP minimum, OMP minimum shy. Ba mejidi yi pa se odienya den enam baby
kojo there are some areas
there were MPB o ho no akura no the constituency square and referee constituency ni din
Edin but say ni nyina mu
MP a onam kwan yenye so ye nanam so bi no say ye kwan say asesa
kojo no bende
no wa MP.
The best he can do as a back of a grade damage now, so no trust. So,
yes, advocate.
But say advocacy, because you are from Sao. What can
there were Hannah MPs freshly. I am from
my question. Open so catch me say, wow, offer a more quarter. Minister of Road or the Nikrumina asphalt.
Offer. Family name continue patenting con. Mentua ba. Mentua ba mo for constituency. Mentua ba ho. Family con.
No.
Mentua the constituency. Say offer. When I was in region one go.
Me dey asama bibisa question. Asama wo ka say MPB ni ne mane.
Advocate.
Na bibisa say, "O dey, you no advocate." Any the odon to. I will discharge or award any Bibian. Question me bisa no answer me.
There be been corner constituency. But major the years are quite.
And I also aware so on society MP can.
Me aware so for MP.
Intino to the bia. Michemo. Yen hwese de dwumadi eniti se o ka utimi ansan me dia ne kan ne kan ho de ba wo bi so wa bin inti so ho no pa utimi nya no yi na je se wo ho chiro o ti ase inti wo de wa hwe yi
any place so be kan yansa
asema ba ko pa to room han
yes NDC MPs from modern MPP MPs
na se hwe abu
okay that's all the opposition inti na o kan sa
yeah da ne ye ho aba
etiefo midini Kofi Owusu Amponsa me ye adwuma free anopa no nkono kopem anwumre no